Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to hop on and do an unboxing of this bag that I purchased from Coach. But before I get started, I do want to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I put out videos about handbags like Coach, Michael Kors, Fossil, Longchamp, as well as some luxury items like Gucci and Burberry. And now that I'm a new mom, I also put out videos about mom and baby products occasionally. So this is a Coach bag. I purchased it just recently in January of 2025 for $99 plus tax from the Coach outlet online. And so I'm just going to get into unboxing it. You basically can see the bag through the plastic, so I'm sure it's not going to be much of a surprise. It is a Coach mini Jamie crossbody or camera bag let's see, it says mini Jamie Star camera bag, I believe. And it is in the white leather with gold stars. So here is the bag. So I purchased this bag mainly because now that I am a new mom, when I am out and about with our child, I tend to not want like a big bag that carries a bunch of stuff, mainly because I also have a diaper bag. So I don't want to have like a bunch of, a huge heavy purse and then also be carrying the diaper bag. Anything that I want that's kind of larger, like a burp cloth or a toy for him, can go in the diaper bag. And then I could just have a small purse that has like my phone, keys, wallet, and like maybe some tissues and things. So I did a lot of research on this bag when I bought it to see what it would fit, but I am interested to see if it's going to fit all of the things I need because it is kind of a small bag. And I don't tend to buy, like pre having a baby, I didn't tend to buy bags this small. So you can see it is white with gold. You have your Coach logo there. I'll just remove some of this packaging. Let's see. Oh, okay. That's annoying. Let's see. So it looks like the strap came slightly disassembled, but I can just fix that really fast. It is an adjustable strap, like most Coach bags. I'm going to put it on the shortest setting because I am fairly short. So I imagine that will be what works best for me, but I'll probably mess around with it after I film this video. So that's the bag. You can see, I think usually Coach bags tend to have Coach stamped on the hardware. Yeah, you can see Coach stamped right there. You can also see Coach stamped on, the buckle right there. And then I'll take off some of this packaging as well. Very nice gold zipper pull. And then your hang tag, of course. Let's see. Okay, so just a very basic Coach hang tag. The outlet ones tend to be very simple, and it just says Coach right there. So opening it up, nice smooth zipper, and I will take out some of this packaging. Okay, so this is the inside. Let's see if I can, there we go, there's the light. It's a nice beige interior. I was debating a lot between the black and the white version of this bag, but part of the reason I chose the white is because hopefully the lighter interior will make it easier to find things. It's fairly simple interior. You just have a back little snap pocket. Let's see if I can open that up. There you go. Just some packaging. You have your, this is the tag. And then, oh, interesting. You don't get a care booklet anymore. I guess it's just a QR code. Yeah. Just a QR code. And then you have your little security tag that I have another video about. If you leave this in your bag, you're going to set off store alarms everywhere, so you should get that and throw it away. And then I guess you can see, yeah, the snap And then on this side, it's just 2 card slots. Yeah, I mean, it's a cute little bag. You can see also, I don't know if you noticed that the stars have glitter on them, which is, I was wondering if it's gonna like rub off, but it doesn't look like it's rubbing off right now. So the next thing I wanted to do is see actually what fits in this bag. So I have this bag from Fossil that I've been using. It's one of my smaller bags, and it's, you know, it doesn't have that much stuff in it. It's just my wallet, keys, and then some hand sanitizer and stuff. So I'm going to see if all of that will fit into this Coach bag. So just kind of taking everything out. I have some tissues, some cash that I don't know why that's floating free, hand sanitizer, eyeglasses, cleaning cloth. These are my car keys and my little Gucci key pouch, my wallet, and then these are just some insurance cards. Oh, we stayed at a Hampton Inn over the holidays, so I have a little Grubhub coupon that I meant to throw away. And then just some personal stuff, so, you know, like Advil and chapstick, feminine products, a Swiss Army knife, and then this very beat up plastic bag that has like a comb and some Band-Aids. I don't necessarily think all of this is going to fit, but we will see. Let's see if I have anything else in this bag. I think that's it in this bag. So let's see if all of that will fit. Okay, zooming in a bit here. So I guess I'll start with my wallet and my keys. So those will definitely fit, but they do take up most of the bag. So then you definitely need hand sanitizer. And then eyeglasses, cleaning cloth, and tissues can go in this little slip pocket back here. Actually, they're not really. These tissues are larger than the usual kind of travel pack of tissues. I don't know why I got these. I must have just ordered the wrong thing. But they don't necessarily fit. So maybe I'll just slip those back there, and I'll slip an eyeglasses, cleaning cloth here. And what else will fit? Because that's basically the capacity of the purse. And I think when I watched a lot of videos on this purse, like people were really stuffing it to the brim. And I don't like stuffing my purses like that because like when you're at a checkout line, for example, like I don't have to dig through a bunch of stuff just to find my wallet. I want to be able to pull it out easily. So thinking about what else would fit, I guess an Advil would certainly fit. Slipping that back there. I do think a Swiss Army knife is important to carry around. And that's probably it. Maybe I'll just throw a chopstick right there. So, I mean, I have almost fit everything. I could probably slip, you know, these somewhere if I wanted to. Oh, I guess insurance paperwork does need to go in my purse too. So now it's pretty stuffed. So maybe I'll have to take these out. But yeah, I mean, it does fit a decent amount for such a small bag. It's my wallet, my keys, there's the insurance papers, there's some Kleenex, hand sanitizer, and then all that other stuff. And it does, you know, obviously it'll zip just fine. There's room on the top, I guess, if I wanted to throw in like a burp cloth. And then I imagine my phone would fit back here, although I'm filming on my phone so I can't check. But usually, I mean, it's the winter right now, so usually I also just kind of throw my phone in my jacket pocket just because it's easier to grab there. So I don't necessarily mind if it doesn't fit back here, but there does seem to be quite a bit of space, so I think it will fit. So yeah, I mean, I think this fits everything I need. I mean, there are a couple things that didn't make the cut, but I don't necessarily think that that's the worst thing in the world. I don't tend to stay out of the house for long periods of time at this point, so I don't necessarily know that I like need a comb. And, you know, maybe I'll throw a Band-Aid or something into the diaper bag just in case we ever need them. But, yeah, so that is the Coach Mini Jamie, right? I keep forgetting the name. Yeah, Mini Jamie camera bag. I'm excited to use this thing. It's going to be, I think, a good little cute bag for me to carry around while I'm out and about. So, yeah, thanks, guys, for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, but I will see you next time. Bye.